Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to continue your downloading when your device in sleep mode. So how are you going to do it? First you have to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for power options. After that, here you'll find the option power and then you just need to come for screen and sleep. Click on this drop down arrow and then set when plugged in, turn off my screen after into never. Also the same for when plugged in, never. After close it, and after that you just need to come over into the search option, and here you just need to search for power cfg.cpl and then click enter. And now here you just need to click on balanced and change plan settings, click on that. And after that, here you just need to set all the items never, and then you just need to click on change advanced power setting, click on that. After there will be a shows up power options over here, and as you can see into the hard disk you'll find the option called turn off hard disk after. So basically when you put your computer in a sleep mode, after 20 minutes later the hard disk will be turned off. But what you need to do, you just need to convert the time with minutes. For if you need the time about, if I just go for the calculator app over here, basically it's a very easy math, but for showing you a better view on this, so if you need to download it for 10 hours, you can simply take write 10 multiply 60 minutes, and as you can see here you just need to put 600. You can simply give the value if you need it and then click apply and okay. After you just need to close your control panel, and that's it. This is how you can simply continue your downloading after turning your computer into sleep mode. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.